Are you stuck in a zombie apocalypse with no food? Or is your food rotting? Well, we have a solution for you.
Now introducing the Baja Blast.
Our product is specialized in preserving food that is prone to molding and expiring quickly. With the Baja Blast, food lasts up to 3 months longer than without this groundbreaking preservative. Now, up on the screen, there are 2 apples displayed. As you can see, the apples are fresh and ripe. Now, here are both the apples 1 month later. On the left, here's the apple without the Baja Blast, and on the right, there is an apple with the Baja Blast. As you can see, the apple on the right looks exactly the same.
Now, everything they've been saying is pretty good, but some things just don't add up. They haven't explained how the product works at all, or what it's made out of.
To begin, liquid nitrogen is simply the harmless gas of nitrogen, which has been cooled to incredibly low temperatures that it becomes a liquid. Similarly to nitrogen gas, liquid nitrogen is denoted as N2. Liquid nitrogen is commercially produced by fractional distillation of liquid air. Fractional distillation is a process by which components in chemical mixtures are separated into different parts according to their different boiling points. Fractional distillation works when vapors from a boiling solution are passed along a tall column, which are called fractional columns. The column is packed with plastic or glass beads that will help improve separation by providing surface area for condensation and evaporation. A key aspect to this process is that the temperature of the column gradually decreases along its length. This process involves the use of turbines and high-energy refrigeration systems. The components with lower boiling points pass through the columns and are collected near the top. Since this liquid has a low boiling point, it can conveniently be collected at the top.
Freezing your food with liquid nitrogen can provide many health benefits. Frozen fruits and vegetables are actually able to retain their vitamins and nutrients better than non-frozen counterparts. Liquid nitrogen is able to freeze food instantly with its insanely cool temperatures. Liquid nitrogen sits at negative 346 degrees Fahrenheit, while a regular freezer sits at 0 degrees Fahrenheit. With this special spraying nozzle, the liquid nitrogen can be sprayed on the food without freezing the food to the point where it could potentially break. The cold temperatures of liquid nitrogen remove all heat and stop all movement of molecules. The cold temperature of the food stops all bacteria growth and allows the food to be preserved.
But wait, there's more.
No way!
If there's ever an emergency, the liquid nitrogen can be used as a weapon. Due to its coldness, liquid nitrogen can cause burning. By spraying the liquid nitrogen at the zombie, it damages its flesh. If enough liquid nitrogen is sprayed, it can cause extensive damage to the zombie and even kill the zombie. This product can cause serious injury. Keep out of the hands of children. Read instructions on how to properly use. Fumes may be toxic if inhaled in large amounts. Food must not be consumed unless completely defrosted.